Hello everyone, my name is Anmol and currently I am working as a data analyst in Adent Analytics. Today in this video, we are going to discuss about Chat GPT for data analytics. So AI tools like Chat GPT became widely popular in 2022, but they owe their success to more than 60 years of research and development in the field of artificial intelligence. The rate of adoption for modern AI tools is unpredictable. ChatGPT became the fastest growing online product in the history. It reached the 1 million users in only 5 days. So what does this ChatGPT means? ChatGPT, it is developed by the OpenAI and it is a powerful natural language processing tool, or we can say AI chatbot, which uses advanced language model and machine learning techniques to understand the natural language query and generate responses based on the input. Why should we use ChatGPT? So with ChatGPT, data analytics professional can ask complex questions in natural language and receive answer in seconds. This allows for faster and more accurate decision making and helps organization stay ahead of the competition. With the help of ChatGPT, we can do various day-to-day tasks like creating code snippets in various programming language, or we can make ChatGPT as our personal assistant for any of the data analytics tools like PowerBI, Excel, SQL, and with the help of it, we can also perform exploratory data analysis. By incorporating ChatGPT in our workflow, we can save valuable time and we can streamline the complex processes and enhance our efficiency as a data analyst or as any other working professional. But ChatGPT is not just useful for analyzing text data. It can also be used to analyze structured data such as financial data or customer data. This is because ChatGPT can generate human-like text description of this data and make it easier for humans to interpret. So ChatGPT is changing the game in the field of data analytics, and we can use it for various purposes like sentiment analysis. We can perform customer service, market research, fraud detection, and we can also use it for data visualization. And as this tool has quickly become one of the most promising technologies, it has some advantages as well as some disadvantages too. So what are the advantages of using ChatGPT in data analytics? One of the key advantages of using ChatGPT in data analytics is speed. It can analyze large volume of text data more quickly and accurately than humans. It can help businesses to gain deeper insight into their data by identifying pattern and trend that may be difficult to spot using traditional analytical method. It will also help to quickly access the information because data analysts often need to refer to documentations, libraries, and programming language while working on their analysis tasks. ChatGPT can provide quick access to information by answering questions, explaining concepts, and providing code snippets, reducing the time spent searching for resources. It will also helpful in the process of data processing, pre-processing, and cleaning. So data analysts spend a significant amount of time preparing and cleaning data before analysis. It can provide recommendation on data pre-processing techniques, handling missing value, dealing with outliers, and resolving quality issue in customer data. This can help streamline the data preparation process and ensure quality analysis. The last but not the least is statistical analysis and modeling. ChatGPT can assist data analysts in performing statistical analysis and building models, and analysts can seek guidance on selecting the appropriate statistical test, understanding the model assumption, interpreting result, and choosing the right machine learning algorithm. So this is all about the advantages of ChatGPT. What are the limitations of using ChatGPT in data analytics? The major limitations are data quality, biasness, lack of context, training data limitation, and ethical concern. ChatGPT ability to analyze text data is dependent on the quality of the data. If the data is noisy or contain errors, then ChatGPT may produce inaccurate result. And like any machine learning algorithm, ChatGPT can be biased toward certain type of data or language. This can lead to inaccurate or incomplete analysis, particularly if the data being analyzed is not representative of the broader population. And ChatGPT accuracy and performance are heavily reliant on the quality and quantity of the training data that it is fed. If the training data is incomplete or biased, then it can limit the accuracy and effectiveness of the model. So this is all about ChatGPT in the field of data analytics. Thank you for watching.